What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can start a drone photography business in 2020. Guys, this is our 6th installment of the Side Hustle series, where we give you guys different ideas to do some side hustles to make extra money. We have a whole playlist set up right there, so make sure you check that out. Let's get into drone photography, though. So first, we're going to talk about the business model for drone photography, guys. There are so many different things you can do with drones to make money. Like, when I was doing research, it is ridiculous, but we're just going to talk about the basic shoot and sell, taking pictures for events, weddings, real estate, for marketing, all sorts of stuff like that. We're not going to be doing, agricultural mapping and underwater things, just basic shoot and sell. With this business model, you're going to charge your clients either hourly or by half and full days, like 4 and 8 hours. So to start off in drone photography, you're going to need some things. Let's talk about some things that you're going to need to buy. Number 1, you're going to need a drone with picture and video taking capabilities. There are so many drones to choose from, it's ridiculous. But we recommend that when you first start out to not spend over $1,500 on your drone. You can still get a great drone with a good app, good video, and camera resolution for under $1,500. From my research, I personally would recommend the DJI Phantom 4. It's very user-friendly, has a great app. You can even control it from your phone if you get a little upgrade pack with the drone. And it generally has good resolution and has a fisheye lens, great for photography. You can buy one for just around $1,000, and it actually supports 4K video quality, which is great. The only thing lacking here really is the range. You can only control it from just over 3 miles away. But with this specific business model, that's all you really need. I mean, you're not going to be flying this thing all over the place. It's just one, compact event, really. Now, if you're going to be doing something that requires more range, like agricultural mapping of a 100-acre farmland, then yeah, get more range in a drone. But for this, it'll be fine. Also, little pro tip: if your drone runs off batteries, always carry extra batteries with you, because you don't want it dying when you're with your clients, and then you just got to make that awkward, like, I got to run to the store or I'll be back in a few days. That's not good. You won't get good reviews. Number 2 thing you'll need: nothing. All you really need to start a drone photography business is the drone itself. Of course, there's always more you can buy. You can buy drone attachments, you can get different apps, video editing softwares, business cards, but none of those are true necessities. The drone, of course, is, but that's really it. Now, as with all the side hustles that we talk about, it's up to you when you want to become an established legal business, having your own LLC and all that, paying taxes, all that jazz. However, I would recommend that when you first start out, you can stray away from that a little bit. Don't get me wrong. Once you start making, a few sales, you start getting a few clients, yeah, establish yourself. But when you first start out, you might not want to waste the time and money when it might not even work out. So you've got your drone and you're ready to take pictures, right? Wrong. Drone flying is an art. It is not easy, you guys. I personally have tried flying drones before, just one time. I didn't crash it, luckily, but it's not as easy as it looks. So you're definitely going to need to put in a lot of practice before you feel comfortable doing it with clients. UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School are 2 options if you are just struggling learning how to fly your drone, because guys, you want to be as good as possible flying your drone, and these businesses here offer training so you can learn how to fly your drone like a pro. I will be honest, they are a bit pricey. They can cost you over $500. That's like over half the price of your drone, but if you're really struggling, that might be what you have to resort to. Many of these classes also offer certification tests for you to become a certified commercial flyer. So if you are going to set up a whole legal business around this and you're planning to branch your business out, this might be a necessity. So now that you're confident, next up is advertising. As always, I recommend advertising online with your service businesses on Facebook Marketplace and Instagram, things like that. It's 2020, guys, online, especially with something like drone photography. Pretty futuristic stuff. It wouldn't be a bad idea also to nicely reach out to clients individually, if they're planning on hosting an event soon, or if they're planning on selling a piece of their real estate, that you can offer, hey, I'll take pictures of it for you. Don't be pushy, but you can offer your services to anybody. The first few clients you get, you should offer really, really low discounted prices to, or even just free, because you want to build a portfolio. Nobody wants to hire the photographer in any realm that has no experience, has no examples to look at. So the first few people you offer it to, give it to them for free, and then have something for potential clients to look at. So now let's talk about the money. How much can you expect to make in this business? Of course, this really all comes down to you, how hard you're gonna try to find clients, your location. I mean, this is not a cheap service that you're offering. So let's say you're able to land one client per week and it's an event and you charge hourly. Well, you can generally charge around $300 per hour, give or take a lot. However, you're usually going to be charging people for plenty of hours. In fact, a lot of times you're going to be there like all day for an event. So you're going to give them a discounted price, like say 4 hours for $750 is pretty standard. So upcharging is important in basically every business, and with this one it's no different. So after you're done taking pictures and videos, you can offer them editing for videos and pictures if you're good at it for extra money, say a few $100 here or there. And you can honestly expect to make, if you're getting one client per week, averaging, a few $100s per client, about $19,000 extra per year before taxes and before expenses. Some people have built whole careers off of this business, and it's a really cool side hustle to check out and get into. Anyway, I really hope you guys took something of value from this video. I'm really interested to hear if you ever do start up your own little drone business, or if it becomes like a really big business. I'd love to hear it. So anyway, please go down, leave that like. I want you to click that little gray button, make it blue, and I will see you guys in the next Business Buzz video.